Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Welcome to a world of culinary adventure, where we turn simple ingredients into a feast for the senses. Today, we're venturing into a delightful pasta dish that's both comforting and elegant, the feta cheese pasta. This recipe is an absolute must-try, combining the creaminess of crumbled feta cheese, the richness of olive oil, the punch of minced garlic, and the softness of perfectly cooked pasta. It's a symphony of flavors that you wouldn't want to miss. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the cooking process. To start off, we're boiling the pasta. You'll need a large pot filled about 3/4 of the way with water. For every 4 ounces of pasta, you'll want to use about 1 quart of water. Don't forget to salt the water generously. About 1 to 2 tablespoons should do the trick. This is the only chance you get to season the pasta itself, so make sure you don't skip this step. Once you have your water boiling and seasoned, go ahead and add in your pasta. Give it a quick stir to prevent sticking. Now the waiting game begins. Depending on your pasta type, it can take anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes to cook to al dente. You'll know it's ready when it's firm to the bite, but not hard. Once your pasta is ready, drain it and set it aside. Remember, do not rinse it. We want to keep those starchy goodness for our sauce to cling onto. Now, we're heating up some olive oil and adding the crushed garlic. As the olive oil warms, it's important to remember the key to a beautifully aromatic sauce is properly sautéed garlic. Too little time on the heat and the garlic will be raw and pungent. Too much time and it will turn bitter. So we'll give it just about a minute until it's golden and its fragrance has filled the air. Next, we're introducing the star of our show, the crumbled feta cheese. Feta's tangy and salty flavor profile makes it a standout in this creamy sauce. As we add it into the pan, the heat will start to soften the cheese, releasing its unique flavors. A gentle stir will help it along, encouraging it to melt and mingle with the garlic-infused olive oil. Now, with the feta starting to melt, we're ready to gradually introduce the milk. The milk in this case serves as a smoothing agent, helping to transform the melted feta into a creamy, velvety sauce. Pour it in slowly, stirring constantly to ensure a seamless blend. This is where patience truly pays off. A hasty pour might lead to a lumpy sauce, and nobody wants that. So take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as our sauce takes shape. As we stir, we'll see the sauce begin to thicken. This is the result of the milk and feta coming together in a delicious harmony. If it seems too thick, don't worry. A little more milk can fix that right up. The goal is a creamy, pourable sauce, perfect for coating every strand of our pasta. And there you have it, a creamy, aromatic feta cheese sauce, ready to transform a simple pasta dish into a gourmet delight. With our sauce now perfect, it's time to bring everything together. Now for the fun part, combining the pasta and the sauce. This is where our dish really starts to come together. The cooked pasta takes a dive into our creamy feta sauce. A good stir is needed here to make sure every strand of pasta is lovingly coated in that cheesy goodness. It's a sight to behold, really, as the pasta transforms before your eyes, becoming one with the sauce. Next, we season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember, season to your own taste. Everyone's palate is different, and that's what makes cooking so personal and fun. We then let the pasta cook for an additional 2 minutes in the sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb some of that delicious sauce, making every bite a symphony of flavors. Our feta cheese pasta is now ready to be served. Feel free to garnish with some chopped parsley for that extra touch. And there you have it, a simple yet delicious feta cheese pasta. This dish, with its blend of creamy feta, aromatic garlic, and your favorite pasta, is certainly a crowd pleaser. Don't limit yourself to feta cheese. Parmesan, Gouda, mozzarella, or cheddar can all add a new twist. Toss in some diced tomatoes or spinach for an extra pop of color and flavor. Remember, the kitchen is your playground. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own versions of this dish. Happy cooking? If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.